So let me start by saying good morning, and analysis is all is well. So I think you can understand by that reaction, okay? So I'm happy that I was in the slot number 1. Thoda sa I'm outside the center, so I'm not very comfortable talking. So many people are looking even at me, so thoda sa I would not be at my natural self, as we say. Okay, let me put some macro analysis first of all. All is well, I think you would be able to understand what kind of a test today was. So let me put you some into macro and the micro analysis. Macro analysis में क्या main points हैं? I can see many of the students' faces right now. Many of the people are looking contented, happy दिख रहे हैं. If I compare it to the CAT 2023, I was in slot 3. And I still recall people were not happy. CAT 2023, people were looking sad. CAT 2024, people were confused whether to be happy or to be sad. But when I'm looking at today, people are happy. There is a smile. They are not laughing much, but then also we can see people content, we can say. There is a smile and they feel they have done well. It's the same feeling I even have. But मेरा content is a different thing. मैं इसलिए happy हूँ कि the exam is over. Okay, I want to be in the slot 1 over with this kind of a testing. तो अब मुझे I am very happy that CAT 2025 is over for me. अच्छा, now what kind of a things I would like to tell for the CAT slot 2 and 3 people who are looking into this video. So what are the things we can see today? People are happy, so don't feel stressed out. The exam is I wouldn't call it easy, but let me put you macro analysis में क्या क्या दिख रहा है. सुबह checking strict है. Even आपका I've seen instances in which people were asked to give the original copy of Aadhaar. Some people were carrying the photocopy of Aadhaar and they were asked to give the original copy of Aadhaar. Actually, Aadhaar is an online thing, but then also they were asking for it. Number 2, people I saw in Delhi right now, there's a chill. So it's cooled out here. But then also people were asked to remove the jackets. So this happened today morning. So slot 2 and slot 3 people, thoda sa be ready mentally that this can happen. Now the macro analysis pattern में कोई फर्क ज़्यादा नहीं है. Surprise element है, but I am not going to focus on the surprise element. Reason being, I wouldn't call that as a surprise element. Every CAT has some surprise element, and this CAT is also having a surprise element. But then also I would say, don't take it as a surprise element. Reason being, it is based mostly on a very big fundamental, in which I always teach in every class, that every IQ test is based on understanding or understanding based application, and the same thing it is based. So this is not a surprise element at all. Okay, तो MCQs हैं, non MCQs हैं. I think non MCQs people know as theta or something. Calculator है basic functioning के लिए, which no one uses, I think. And flag for review, everything you answer, everything is there. Many of the people in mock CATs were doing these mistakes. So slot 2 and slot 3 people, I'm just telling you, if you're flagging any answer for review, don't answer it, okay? If you answer it and flag for review, and then also by time constraints you're not able to reach it, it is taken as an answer. So if you're flagging it for review, don't mark an answer into it. Once more, I'm repeating that point. Now let me give you an analysis of my understanding to it. So I'm dividing the audience into 2 parts. एक तो हमारे नए बच्चे होंगे और एक रिपीटर्स होंगे. तो नए बच्चों के लिए पहले रिपीटर्स के लिए बात करते हैं कंपेयर टू द CAT 2024, और लेट्स मी टॉक अबाउट द न्यू पीपल, माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Okay, for the people who have given the CAT for the first time, let's say, medium difficulty level. Okay, the total level is medium difficulty level. Verbal is medium to difficult. Okay, DILR is medium. I wouldn't call it difficult. I wouldn't call it easy. Last year I said it was easy. I thought CAT 2024 DILR was much easier than right now. Now talking about the quant is middle to easy to medium difficulty level, we can say. One more thing which I want to add about, so I will go to each and every section right from the verbal, quant and the DLR so that you will be able to understand. But the people have given CAT 2024. Let me put in some kind of a perspective for the CAT 2024 people. Overall, I would call it thoda sa notch difficult than the CAT 2024. Okay. Verbal is difficult than 2024. DLR is same. Quant is one notch difficult than CAT 2024. Okay, for the people who are repeaters. I'm talking about the slot 2 and slot 3 people. Okay, now let me talk about the strategy. Once more, I'm repeating my point which I've already told to each and every student of mine. Focus on accuracy. Okay, do what you know. Don't guess. Negative marking plays a very big role. So accuracy, keep things in mind that every section have a lot of easy questions and medium difficulty level questions, and keep your focus into that. Difficult questions, you please avoid it. Don't do that. Don't lead into the negative marking. Negative marking play havoc. Okay, so please focus on accuracy. Now let me take you to the each and everything verbal, DLR and quant. I'll do a detailed analysis only after reaching the center. Right now I'm just outside the test center, so I'm just giving some kind of a guess what I feel right now. More detailed and more studied, the thing I would be talking about after maybe an hour or two. Verbal part, medium to difficulty level questions are there. RCs are readable. One RC is very easy. Okay, one RC is easy. You would be able to complete very quickly. One more RC is also into the easy to medium difficulty. So 2 RCs you can easily do it. Okay, 2 RCs mean you are obviously into the range of 8 to 9 questions. You have already done that. So 8 3s are 24. So you have already done that. Okay, VA made 2 questions are easy. So in a way, what I'm trying to say is focus on the easy questions. With easy questions, even you would be reaching around 27 to 30 marks in the verbal, and that's what your focus should be in. Don't focus on the areas where you find difficulty or something. One more thing, CR क्वेश्चन जहाँ भी देखो थोड़ा सा बी अटेंटिव. CR क्वेश्चंस में जो आंसर्स होते हैं, इट मे लुक वेरी मच इजी टू यू, लेकिन आई ऑलवेज फाइंड CRs आर वन वेरी ट्रिकी पार्ट. इवन GMAT लेवल स्टूडेंट्स भी इसमें people feel lot of difficulty. So same thing I'm saying into you. CR देखो, थोड़ा सा बी अटेंटिव, हैव क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा सा स्पेंड टाइम एंड ट्राई टू अवॉइड CR क्वेश्चन इफ पॉसिबल. अगर वो ये RC के बीच में ही है तो obviously you shouldn't be avoiding it, but then also I would like to say that RCs के 500 to 600 words के passages हैं, 4 to 5 paragraphs हैं, and beautifully built, highly readable, easy to understand. Questions difficult हैं. So once I'm repeating RC's passages, because I understand I have been teaching all the students to be they always focused upon, my teaching was always focused upon difficult RCs to understanding and all, but then also this is not what's happening in the CAT. Easily readable, easily understandable, but many of the questions are CR based. तो CR जहाँ भी देखो थोड़ा सा be attentive. CR में easy दिखता है नहीं. Okay, what else to add? RCs are easy compared to the verbal ability part. Anything more to add? That's it. Focus on the easy part. 27 to 30 marks आएंगे easy में. ठीक है, one RC very easy, second RC medium to easy level, थोड़ा सा would be verbal ability. 2 questions are very easy. Okay, so let me now move to the passages easier. Anything to add? CR से बचो. That's what my understanding is. Yes. So there are some students of mine. Okay. Now, what else to add? In the verbal ability, I want to add something which I think will work for the slot 2 and slot 3 people. Try to guess your answer before moving into the options. I'm saying for all the questions in the verbal part. Verbal में क्या point होता है? There is nothing called medium difficulty level. Okay, या तो आपको आता है या नहीं आता है. I mean to say it's just like a binary thing, 0 or 1. तो same kind of a thing is happening with the verbal thing. Don't move into the options without guessing the answer. Once more, repeating the point, verbal and DILR are the king makers for this CAT 2025. So verbal and DLR have to be taken with a lot of caution, a lot of attention. Okay. Okay, and once I have already said, look at the guess your answer before moving to the option. अगर option में straight away आप move करोगे, तो your accuracy level will be very low. Okay. Now coming to the DLR part, as I told, it's a medium difficulty compared to the CAT 2025. थोड़ा सा मुझे ये difficult 1 or 2 notches about difficulty level दिखा है. One set is very easy. Okay, it will not take much of your time. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes you would be able to complete the one set, and accuracy level would be high, easier है. तो one set तो आपके game में है, तो basically means 4-3, मतलब आपके 4 तो क्वेश्चन सही होने ही हैं. One more set is into the medium difficulty level, so easy to medium difficulty level. 2 sets are doable. I mean to say you would be able to complete 2 sets even if you are keeping your senses calm. Okay, keep your sense calm. Spend your, जैसे DLR open होता है, to spend some moments, at least 1 or 2 minutes in understanding the paper. Choose your sets very wisely. Easier को ही चुनना है, difficult level नहीं लेना है. One set is very easy. Once I'm repeating, 5 to 10 minutes, you will not take more than that. Accuracy level would be very high. The second set is into easy medium level, and it will also, those set is very doable. You would be able to complete it very quickly. क्या 2 सेट से मेरे 99 परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा? आ सकता है. If 2 sets में your accuracy is high, हाँ, अगर accuracy 100% है, if you feel like that, then I think you would be into the top ranges, so maybe into the top 97 or 98 percentile you can reach. And third, if you are able to do, it will be a fight. But and then also, अगर आपका accuracy third अगर आप कर पाते हो तो it would be good. Obviously, then you're a topper. But then also, if you feel there is some mistakes you are doing, then go for the third thing. Okay. But I think 2 sets you will be able to complete in 20 to 30 minutes. You would be able to complete if you are well equipped to handle DLR. If you have practiced enough. Once more repeating, जैसे DLR start होता है, start मत कर देना. Spend 2 to 3 minutes understanding the paper, understanding थोड़ा सा, get friendly with the sets. Choose your set wisely. One set is very easy. Obviously, set 2, set 3 में क्या होने वाला I don't know. But if the same trend continues, 2 sets are very doable, which will take your marks beyond 95 percentile. That's what I feel. Obviously, cutoff से तो ऊपर हो ही जाओगे. What else? DLR compared to the CAT 2025 is difficult, but overall medium difficulty level. If you are at the first timer for the आपने CAT दिया तो you will find it easy. Now medium difficulty level. Now coming to the quant. Compared to the CAT 2023, very easy. Compared to the CAT 2024, 1 or 2 notches difficult. I meant to say, overall, agar aap new person, is the first time you're giving CAT, it's a medium difficulty level, easy to medium difficulty level quant paper. But carrying it, let's say if you are, if your marks, if you are given CAT 2023, easy. If you're giving CAT 2024, then it's difficult than CAT 2024. CAT 2024 there were around 7 to 8 easy questions. Right now the easy questions are less. Okay, easy questions are around 5 to 6. Okay, medium difficulty level in CAT 2024 was close to around 8. and right now the medium difficulty level questions are in the range of around 10. Yes. So what I feel in CAT, right, this CAT is 5 to 6 questions are easy. Compared to CAT 2024, there were around 7 to 8 questions were easy. CAT 2024, around 7 to 8 questions were in the medium difficulty level, but in this, I feel that 10 to 11 questions are in the medium difficulty level. So even if you're doing the easy and the medium difficulty level in this CAT, you would be able to do around 14 to 15 questions. So my understanding is the marks are going to rise. I think if you say 99 percentile, it would be reaching around 36, 35. 35 to 36, 99 percentile you would be able to reach. But is some registration is less. I think CAT 2025 registration is 10% lesser than the CAT 2024. So it would hover around the cutoff, and even the 99 percentile you would be able to reach at 34. 33, 34 you would be able to reach 99 percentile above. So थोड़ा सा 10% लोग कम है compared to the CAT 2024. So it works good. थोड़ा सा cutoff नीचे चला जाएगा. So overall, that's my understanding. More detailed analysis I will be giving only after my reaching my center. थोड़ा सा even I will be in the in a more sensible mindset. Anything to add? LRDI में प्राइमरी लेवल का ही मैथ्स है, लेकिन just like once more I have been repeating over in my classes, and every time I meet the student that it is an IQ test, it is not a formula test, it is not a simple application test, it is an understanding test, and it is an understanding based application test. So it's not don't call it an application test. I always call it not a formula application, straight away applications. It is more of an understanding based application. So that's what I got to say. Anything else? That's it. So slot 2 and slot 3 people, I think I have given you many pointers which you can use. And थोड़ा सा अपना जैकेट वैकेट डाल के मत जाओ, and थोड़ा सा माइंड सेट क्लियर कर लो. And हाँ, in our examination hall, many people even had a problem with their hardware. So check your hardware whenever you're reaching the center. थोड़ा hardware check कर लेना that every buttons, whatever the number buttons at least should be working, and what are the buttons you would be using. Just like अगर type in करना है answer, तो you would be needing some that numbers to be put and everything. So थोड़ा सा check कर लेना. That's it. Be calm. Don't be stressed out. Life is not only about CAT. Life हमेशा chances देती रहती है. तो अगर अच्छा होता है तो बहुत अच्छा है, अगर नहीं भी होता है तो को भी क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. टेस्ट होते रहेंगे. और आप अपने आसपास देखिए, all the successful people are not the people who have given CAT or are from IIMs. Most of the people are the people who have been working hard all their life. So take it just as an exam. थोड़ा stress कम कर लो, थोड़ा सा be attentive, but then also stress or anxiety को कम करो. I had a lot of anxiety in the morning when I came, but I'm happy that I'm the slot 1 and it's over. So once more, I'm moving out with only one thing, and that is one message only: all is well.